It's a bad man thing.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. So real quick, this is a review on Vega. She's a new unit by Main Concept. I do apologize, but my audio is not in sync with the video. Really sucks because I really can't redo this video, and you'll see why. So yeah. Hey ladies, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Wigs2WaistLength here. This is a quick wig show intel, of course, and this unit is brought to you by Main Concept. So they reached out to me to do a review on a new unit that's coming out, and this is in the style RCV 201 Vega. Girl, this care card, Miss Vega. Can we talk about the beautiful life that is Miss Vega? Your girl went with the creamy blonde. Here is Miss Vega, and oh my God, I am getting chills off of this color. When I saw it, I had to have it. This is just such a beautiful color. I am a little nervous about the texture. It is frizzing up already out of the pack, and this is a yaki type of unit. So yeah, we're gonna see how this works out. Vega, girl. Love the density on this wig. I love the texture, and I absolutely love the color on this wig. And guess what? I'm not all the way here with Miss Vega. Beautiful style, beautiful texture. Don't like them together. She tangles almost immediately out of the box. She does get frizzy. So as you can see towards the back of this wig, you are getting a lot of frizz back here. And dare I say, I want to cut it. I think I'm going to cut Miss Vega. Yeah, I'm cutting it.
I'm taking my freedom, pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain, wearing it round my neck. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my car, wherever I choose to go, it won't take me far. I'm living my life like it's golden, 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 living my life like it's golden.
Okay guys, so Miss Vega, it looks a little bit better with a shorter length, but I think at this length this is doable. I'm actually really liking this better, and I would go in still and shape it just a little bit more, just to make it look a little bit more fuller. But this is definitely something that you want to wear. Okay girl, yeah, definitely something you want to wear maybe for special occasions. This is not an everyday wig, but I'm really loving this length a little bit better. So if you guys are interested in Miss Vega, I'll leave some information for where you can purchase down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel, girl. Let me know that you are here. And ladies, you know what I say. Whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, wear with confidence, girl. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.